wide and enriching experience of learning, unlearning, and relearning.
It has been an absolute joy to work with the Ministry of Education and the Teachers of India in this project since the beginning in 2017 when I went to Delhi and did the first rendition of this program as a blended learning project. Up until now with these wonderful group of students that I was able to work with.
The course has constantly kept me on toes and has provided ample scope of reflection, improvisation and corrective action.
This course has helped me identify the areas I need to work upon and made me more aware of my teaching learning journey.
It was a pleasure working with such a passionate group of educators who clearly care deeply for their students and for the future of India.
Continue the good work, share what you have learned, be a trainer for your mentees, and let them know about the modern methodologies that we are doing our best to bring to India.
I believe and hope that I will be able to translate my learnings to my mentee teachers and their classmates.
In gratitude.
So that's a taste of one of our programs.